Hello, good morning. Now we'll just see the next article from the radar system, that is basic pulse radar system. In the last period we have discussed about the basic principle of the radar system and the basic block diagram of the radar. So basic block diagram of the radar consists of the four blocks, that is transmitter, receiver, duplexer and antenna, and we have just briefly studied the working or functioning of each block separately. So in the examination you have to write the block diagram of basic block diagram of the radar system and write the function of each block briefly. Okay, so next we have to study that according to your syllabus we have to take the basic pulse radar system. So the detailed block diagram of that basic pulse radar system will be shown here. This is the block diagram of the pulse radar system or basic pulse radar system it will be shown. So this is the antenna is shown here, then TR switch, output tube, modulator. I will show one by one each block. This is the antenna, then TR switch, then output tube, then modulator, trigger, indicator, video amplifier, detector, IF amplifier, mixer, local oscillator, and then also it will be shown the indicator also. So this is the block diagram of basic pulse radar system. सो म्हणजे हा जो डायग्राम आहे याच्यामध्ये आता आपल्याला सुरुवातीला प्रत्येक ब्लॉकचं फंक्शन काय दॅट वी हॅव टू स्टडी व्हॉट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ ईच अँड एव्हरी ब्लॉक अँड हाऊ इट वर्क्स सो दॅट यू हॅव टू रिप्रेझेंट. ओके, now first we see start from this first block, that is trigger source. In this trigger source gives the this is the trigger source. Trigger source gives pulses to the modulator which provides rectangular voltage pulses used as the supply voltage for the output tube. हा जो ट्रिगर सोर्स आहे, ट्रिगर सोर्सचं काम काय, इट विल गिव्ह द पल्सेस टू द मॉड्युलेटर. हा तो दुसरा ब्लॉक जो मॉड्युलेटर. सो दिस ट्रिगर सोर्स विल गिव्ह द pulses to the modulator which provides rectangular voltage pulses used as the supply voltage for the output tube, thus switching it on and off as required. The output tube साठी जे supply voltage that will be given by this modulator block. Okay, this output tube can be a magnetron oscillator or multi-cavity klystron amplifier. आता हे output tube मध्ये काय असते, it is generally a magnetron oscillator or an multi-cavity klystron amplifier, klystron klystron amplifier. In case of the amplifier, a source of microwaves is required whose output is amplified by the klystron. The transmitter part of the radar is terminated with the duplexer, which allows high-powered output pulses to the antenna for the radiation. Okay, so this is the work of the trigger source, modulator, output tube and the TR switch. Okay, the receiver section is connected to the antenna at an appropriate time by the duplexer. याच्यामध्ये आता हे जे असतो रिसिव्हर सेक्शन, इट विल बी कनेक्टेड टू द अँटेना बाय द ॲप्रोप्रिएट टाइम बाय द duplexer. म्हणजे आपण जे बघितलं सुरुवातीला की duplexerचं काम काय असतं, when the transmission of electromagnetic waves ends from the transmitting antenna, so duplexer will disconnect the transmitter to the antenna and connect the receiver to the antenna. So receiver section is connected to the antenna at appropriate times by the duplexer. The receiver section of radar set consists of mixer. आता याच्यामध्ये काय असतं, रिसिव्हर सेक्शन मध्ये काय काय असतं, इट कन्सिस्ट ऑफ द मिक्सर. हे दाखवा, मिक्सर, an IF amplifier, intermediate frequency amplifier, then detector. What is detector means what? Or demodulator. What is the meaning of detection or demodulation? It is the process in which the carrier signal can be separated from the original modulating signal. It is a process in which the carrier signal and modulating signal can be separated. Okay, and the original signal can be recovered back. That is known as detection or demodulation. So detector followed by the video amplifier. It was shown here. See, video amplifier whose output is fed to an indicator. That means whatever the information we are getting in the from the detector in the video amplifier, so that will be output of that video amplifier will be given on the indicator. So that indicator will display the all the information what will be received by the from the receiver section. Okay. त्याच्यामध्ये सुरुवातीला ते बघू मिक्सर. The mixer is a crystal diode having fairly low noise figure but also a conversion loss. So it is a mixer is a crystal diode having a fairly low noise figure but also a conversion loss. Then an RF amplifier can also be used, which is mostly low noise traveling wave tube. A better noise figure for the receiver is hence achieved at the expense of extra bulk and complexity. TWT has the further advantage of saturating the large signal and hence acts as a linear limiter that prevents burning of crystal as a result of strong echoes coming from the nearby targets. The IF amplifier operates at a 30 or 60 MHz or a nearby frequency. हा जो दूसरा जो आपला आहे IF amplifier, it will be operated at the 30 or 60 MHz or at a nearby frequency. If a crystal mixer is the first stage, the IF amplifier should be the low noise device to ensure that the overall noise figure of the receiver does not deteriorate to a great extent. So if a crystal mixer is the first stage, the IF amplifier should be a low noise device to ensure that the overall noise figure of the receiver does not deteriorate to a great extent. Triode or transistor amplifier are preferred with use. Triode or transistor amplifiers are preferred and used quite commonly in the cascade connection as they remove the need for the neutral. So this is about the IF amplifier. Then another source of noise in the receiver section of radar is the local oscillator, which for microwave receivers is more generally a reflex klystron, which is noisy device with a low efficiency. In order to reduce the noise due to this reflex klystron oscillator, it is customary to connect a narrowband filter between local oscillator and a mixer to reduce the noise band width of the oscillator. But in case of receivers employing the AFC, automatic frequency control, this arrangement is unsatisfactory and balanced mixer is used instead. If AFC, that is automatic frequency control, is used in the receiver section, it may simply consist of phase discriminator, which takes part of the output from IF amplifier and produces the DC correcting voltage. If the intermediate frequency changes, this voltage is then applied directly to the repeller of the klystron. So this is about the IF amplifier and its working. Okay. Then the IF amplifier is made broadband to allow the use of fairly narrow pulses. This means that the number of cascaded IF amplifiers used. Then the detector which is used, in that we are using a crystal diode whose output is amplified by the video amplifier having the same bandwidth as the IF amplifier, and the output signal is then fed back to the display unit, which may be a cathode ray tube. आता हे जो डिटेक्टर आहे, डिटेक्टरमध्ये काय वापरतो आपण, इन द डिमॉडेटेड वी आर युजिंग क्रिस्टल डायोड, याचं जे आउटपुट आहे हुज आउटपुट इज एम्प्लिफाईड बाय द व्हिडिओ एम्प्लिफायर. म्हणजे डिटेक्टरचं आउटपुट इथं जे डिटेक्टर आहे त्याचं आउटपुट कुठे दिलं आपण, व्हिडिओ एम्प्लिफायरला. ओके. तर याचं जे आउटपुट आहे क्रिस्टल डायोडचं किंवा डिटेक्टरचं, so that will be amplified by the video amplifier having the same bandwidth as the intermediate frequency amplifier, and the output signal is then fed to the display unit, which may be a cathode ray tube. CRT वापरतो आपण, त्याच्यावरती आपल्याला सगळी याची इन्फॉर्मेशन मिळते. आता त्याच्यामध्ये लोकल ऑसिलेटर, मिक्सर हे जे आहे हे सगळे नॉईज आहे. नॉईज कमी करण्यासाठी काय, वी आर युजिंग द फिल्टर हिअर. सो इट इज नेसेसरी or it is customary to connect a narrowband filter between the local oscillator and mixer to reduce the noise bandwidth of the oscillator. So that is the internal adjustment. So this is all about the basic pulse radar system, and this is the antenna. This antenna will be controlled by the duplexer. So whenever the pulses will be sent from the transmitting antenna, The duplexer will disconnect the antenna from the transmitter and it will reconnect the antenna to the receiver section. So in the transmitter section we have to study trigger source, modulator, output tube and TR switch. In the receiver section we have to study mixer, local oscillator, IF amplifier, detector, video amplifier and indicator. So this is all about the basic pulse radar system. So in this you have to just write the functioning of the each and every block. त्याच्यामध्ये टाइप्स ऑफ रडार जे आहे त्यामध्ये दिस इज द बेसिक म्हणजे पल्सेट रडार सिस्टीम अँड कंटिन्युअस वेव्ह. So this we are taking that is basic pulse radar system. This is a very simple one. Only you have to see the right. First you have to draw the block diagram of draw the block diagram of radar system. Then you have to write the functioning of each block in 2 or 3 lines. That is trigger source. What is trigger source? What is the function of trigger source? Then modulator. आता modulator and demotor they are the different. दोन्ही वेगळ्या process आहेत. Then output tube, what is TR switch, then mixer, because in this way because the output tube, the output of the output tube is given to the TR switch and its output is given to the transmitting antenna and the mixer also. So again mixer is connected with the local oscillator. It will mix the both the signal, that incoming frequency FS and the local oscillator FO, and it will just generate the intermediate frequency that is given to the IF amplifier, and then the output of that IF amplifier is given back to the detector. In this detector, whatever the signal you are getting, that will be detected and the carrier signal is bypassed and the original signal will be recovered back, and the output of that detector will be given to the video amplifier, and that it will amplify that signal and given to the indicator. It may be CRT tube. So in this way the functioning of this basic pulse radar system works, and so you have to write the functioning of each block. Transmitter section is different. It consists of only 4 blocks, that is trigger source, modulator, output tube and TR switch, and the receiver section consists of mixer, local oscillator, IF amplifier, detector, video amplifier and indicator. So in this way the basic pulse radar system works. Okay, thank you.